Hi Crafty friends, welcome to the Crafty Seas. Today we are sharing an outgoing summer themed swap that we are sending to the lovely Amber from Amber Kintyre's Craft, and she was asking if anyone would like to do a beach, summer or seaside themed pocket letter swap. So we had a look in our stash and dug out some summer themed things that we're going to share with you now. So we'll be sending to Amber this loaded pocket, and we made this using some A3 card and 12 by 12 card. It's a really simple pocket to make, and we've stuffed it with lots of fun in the sun goodies. So we have a large pocket here, a pocket in the front, and if we flip it over, we have made a gusseted pocket on the back with this lovely paper, the sandcastle detail, and a little bucket and spade here with the sandcastle, and inside we have stuffed that with goodies as well. And on the side here we've made this lovely paper clip dangle with a little turtle charm and all these lovely ribbons that match the seaside theme. So let's delve into what we'll be sending to Amber, and I'll leave Amber's channel linked down below, so you can pop over to her channel to see her unboxing it, and stay tuned to her channel to see what we received from Amber as well. So first up is this lovely card that we've used using a stamp set from Crafter's Companion, and we've created this background using some Distress Oxides, and to get the texture effect on the sand we've used some salt and water technique on our Distress Oxides, stamped up our images with the sentiment "Life's a Beach," and added some of these gold sand coloured gems. So that's the card we'll be sending. And as well as our stuffed pocket letter, we are sending a few little extras to Amber as well. And the first of that is this lovely decorated embellishment box, and we've layered up all the pieces of seaside ephemera on the front and added some of these tonal gems and pieces of twine to add a little bit of texture, and it says "lovely things inside." So let's open it up and see those lovely things. So inside this embellishment box we've tried to put some seaside and beach themed goodies that Amber can use in her projects, and Amber does a lot of mixed media projects, card making, resin, all different things, so I'm sure some of these bits and bobs will come in handy. So we've made these mini little glass jars with the jute and the starfish charms, and inside is our DIY glittery mica sand mix that Amber can use in projects, and we've used this to make tags, cards and other projects in the past. It's a really nice effect on things. We've added some beautiful ribbon in different shades of blue, some of these blue fabric flowers, these lovely miniature seashells, and they've got a lovely iridescent shine, some seashell sequins, some fish sequins that will be great in shakers, and a variety of charms and dangles, all different seaside themes, all different seaside theme ones in there. And we've also included some beautiful flat back gems. We have these ones that have the kind of mermaid scale on them, these beautiful greens and blues, and some pearls. And lastly, in the embellishment box we've popped in these miniature message in a bottle charms that we've made using these miniature glass bottles, some paper and twine, and a little dangle charm. And I'll show you on the channel how we made them. So that's our lovely seaside themed embellishment box. I hope you like that, Amber, and it'll come in handy. And we'll also be popping in this beautiful beaded pen that we also made on the channel. So if you want to check out that video, you can pop along to that. I'll leave a link down below. So I hope you'll enjoy writing some crafty notes with that, Amber. And in this little box that we've made to match the pocket letter and the embellishment box with a little beach ephemera and twine, is a decorated seashell. And again, we made these on the channel, so if you want to check out how to make them, I'll leave a link for that down below. So we hope you like this amber, and you could maybe hold some little gems and bits and bobs on your craft room table with that. So I'll pop that back in to its little box. And we're also sending this lovely bag with its charm and handmade with love. But I'll not open this. If you want to see what's inside, please check Amber's unboxing video. And now moving on to the loaded pocket itself. We had great fun decorating this and picking out these lovely bright summery themed paper, as the sunshine has just arrived in Scotland and we are so excited for the summer to come. So inside we've popped these summer themed embellishments with the pineapples and cocktails, and we've made a matching ATC here where we fussy cut the elements from the paper and raised them up on some dimension, and we've used some matching lemon enamelled dots to coordinate with the outside yellow paper. And the sentiment says the sun is shining, and today the sun is shining and we're soaking up that vitamin D. So inside we've stuffed as much as we can into this pocket for you, Amber. We have some lovely mermaid themed washi tapes and blue washi tapes, and we've decorated the packet here with some of our ephemera. And we've also included here this little notebook and pencil in the mermaid theme that we made using washi tape and some die cuts. And if you take everything else out of the pocket, you can see we've also included this little decoration here in the inside, where we've used some of that DIY sand that we included in the glass little bottles for you, Amber. So I hope you'll be able to use that in your projects. And inside there we have got some lovely papers, a selection of 6x6 papers in the nautical seaside theme for you to make your own projects with. And we have some of these fun assorted stickers, and these are fabulous. They come in different sizes and they're 3D and holographic and a little bit fun. So we have those ones with the sharks and fish, and then this one here with the mermaids and whales. And the month of May is Mermazing, where a lot of crafters do mermaid things, so hopefully these can come in useful for some collaborations or projects you might be working on, Amber. And we're also popping in these shiny beach summer themed stickers that are always handy for ATCs and the likes. And lastly, in that front pocket are a packet of gemmies, and these are great gems as they come in all different colours and sizes, so hopefully you'll be able to use them in some of your crafting projects. So that's the front part of our pouch, and let's flip over to see what we've put in the back. Just pull everything out here, and you can see our decorated back panel that we've attached using some simple gusseting. So we managed to stuff all these goodies into the back of our loaded pocket. We've included some beautiful fabric here that looks like it's came straight from a mermaid's treasure chest. And we've also included a blank shell if Amber would like to try decorating this herself. Some nautical toppers and embellishments that we created using a 3D die cut topper pad. Some fun sloth relaxing toppers and some pelican die cuts that we've made. And this little bag here is filled with stamp and dies that we've stamped and cut out for Amber. They're all beach themed. There's some beach huts, ice cream vans, sand castles, deck chairs, and some sentiments as well. And we've sent these off to Amber so she can have fun colouring them to match her own projects. And lastly in the back is this lovely ephemera wallet that we've created using some plastic packaging. So we've used this lovely paper here on the front with the jellyfish, and a circle die cut, the mermaid die cut, and the saying make waves. And inside we've created this embellishment wallet, and we've included 2 little mermaid dies for Amber, and we've also die cut some dies from our collection to share with Amber. So we've stuffed all these little pockets with different seaside themed die cuts. So we've got mermaids, shells, lovely anchors, different mermaids, and some sentiments as well, and some lovely diving mermaids at the back. And they're all handily stored in this lovely little wallet for Amber, so she can just grab this and make waves when she's crafting. So we'll pop everything back into this pouch and pop it off in the post to Amber. Please check out Amber's channel. I'll leave all the links you need down below. She's a super talented crafter with lots of great inspirational videos, tutorials, haul videos and makes. And stay tuned to the channel to see us unboxing our goodies that we received from Amber. And if you've enjoyed today's video, please give us a like, subscribe, and if you ring that bell, you'll be notified the next time we make a video. So until next time, thanks for watching and happy crafting!